Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to cook celery sticks. First, wash your fresh celery stalks thoroughly under cool, running water, removing any dirt. Next, trim both ends of each stalk, remove about 1 inch from the fibrous bottom and any attached leaves. Finally, chop the prepared celery into consistent, half-inch pieces. This uniformity is crucial for even cooking and a delightful texture. Sautéing is a quick and delicious way to prepare celery, bringing out its natural sweetness. Start by heating 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat until it shimmers. Add your prepared celery pieces to the hot oil and cook them for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until they are tender crisp. Finish by seasoning with a pinch of salt and a dash of freshly ground black pepper to elevate their subtle flavors. For a deeply tender and flavorful side dish, consider braising your celery. Place your chopped celery into a small saucepan with 1/4 cup of vegetable broth. Bring the liquid to a gentle simmer over medium heat, then immediately reduce the heat to low, cover the saucepan tightly, and let it braise. Cook for approximately 15 to 20 minutes, or until the celery has reached a very soft, melt-in-your-mouth texture. Cooked celery offers versatile serving options and wonderfully complements many dishes. Enjoy sautéed celery simply on its own, perhaps with a squeeze of fresh lemon, or as a vibrant accompaniment to roasted chicken or pan-seared fish. Braised celery is excellent when added to a comforting stew for extra depth, or even pureed to create a surprisingly flavorful and creamy vegetable soup. It's a delightful addition to any meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.